Lloyds Engineering Works Limited, an engineering solutions provider. Company has more than 5 decades of experience in manufacturing, pressure vessels, columns, heat exchangers, air gas drying systems, boilers, and steel plant equipments. These products are used in diverse industry segments. About 61% of the revenue is generated from the steel segment, 8% from power, 9% from naval, 9% from civil, and 13% from other segments. The company was incorporated in 1994 and got public in 2016. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 240 employees and 170 workers. Company has one manufacturing plant, located in Thane. The market cap of the company is 9,128 crore rupees, and currently trading at 79 rupees per share. The company has a 107% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 442% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. In September 2023, company signed an MOU with Material Works for the transfer of cutting-edge and environmentally friendly technology, Eco-Pickle Surface. In October 2023, company partnered with TB Global Technologies for product diversification. In July 2024, company acquired 77% stakes in Techno Industries to strengthen its market position in the electrical engineering sector. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Indian Navy, Engineers India Limited, Gas Authority of India, Tata Projects, Aditya Birla Group, Wellspoon, Indian Oil, Larsen & Toubro, Hindustan Petroleum, and more. In April 2024, company received a new order from Indian Navy Defence worth Rs 81 crores. The order book of the company is increasing from year on year and currently sits at around Rs 904 crores. To meet this growing demand, the company has started expansion to double its capacity. Company is net debt-free, with revenue concentration of 100% from the domestic market. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.